here's more proof that not all Mexican cuisine is just tortillas with beans and cheese. This one's a casserole called Mexican noodle casserole, also known as Sopa Seca. So I start by heating my oven to 350, and now I'll grease an 8x8 glass baking dish. I'll take about a half a pound of vermicelli, and I will fry it in oil until it's nicely browned. Now in the blender, I've already got a can of whole peeled tomatoes, and to it I will add 4 garlic cloves and 4 chipotle chilies in adobado sauce, along with a small onion that I've cut up, and a half a cup of chicken broth. And then I'll blend it till it's nice and smooth. Now I've transferred the liquid from my blender into a frying pan, and I'm cooking it until the liquid evaporates almost all the way, so that the pan is almost dry. And then I'll add the vermicelli, transfer it to the baking dish, cover it with foil, and then bake in that 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now my garnish is cotija cheese. And if you can't find that, use feta, and also some Mexican crema. And if you can't find that, you can use some sour cream. And then the final garnish is some cilantro. And the recipe is yours by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Muchas gracias for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.